See this little device? It's a fan for my MacBook. I'm going to show you how to replace that today. Hi, I'm Tool Tony. I'd like to welcome you to this episode of How to Fix Shit 101. On today's episode, we're going to replace the dead fan in my MacBook. If you take it to the Apple store, they'll charge you about $200 to replace this. This thing's definitely not under Apple Care anymore, so I don't want to spend 200 bucks. I got the replacement fan at this place, ifixit.com. They've got complete instructions, a lot of parts for a lot of different things out there. Check it out. Save yourself some money. Let's get started. If we count off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you want to remove number 2, 4, 7, and 9. Now we're going to remove some screws from the back of the computer. There's 4 of them here, 2 on each side. Next, open the MacBook. Whoop. This is the ribbon cable that attaches the keyboard to the motherboard. I can pull up on this black tab to pull it loose. You can also use this spudger tool. Yeah, Beavis. And pry it up. Careful not to damage anything else in here. This is the inside of your MacBook. This is the fan that we're going to replace. Replacement's complete, the fan is running, life is good. That's what I'm talking about. Well, this is Tool Tony. I hope you enjoyed this episode of How to Fix Shit 101. If you did like this video, please press the like button and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It is youtube.com/ToolDudeTony. And remember, if you're not fixing it yourself, you're paying somebody else to fix it, so get out there and fix something. Tool Dude, out of here. 200 bucks at Apple Store, forget it.